In language development, we start with the concrete, things that look real, and we start with objects in the 4-letter groups, 3 or 4-letter groups, and we go from left to right, starting with MAPT. The next box is CLFB. The next one is ESJH, on to DNOG, then to KRV, and then to WXI, and finally Q, U, Z, and Y over here. And we put objects that start with those letters. I'll give you an example. MAPT, meat, apple, pumpkin, turnip. So you put objects in here, and I started with food. Start with things that are in your child's environment that they may be familiar with, and they'll learn the sounds and the words quicker. The next one is CLFB, basketball. It's like a 2-for-1 there. Banana. Lips. Candy cane. That's a 2-for-1 too. Lemon. Baby. Leaf. Cake. Lipstick. Lipstick. Cone. Frog. Fish. Brownie. Take a bite. Broccoli. Take a bite. Bottle. Finger. That's CLFB. And you teach the objects with 3-period lessons, picking out 2 to 3 objects at a time with 1 of each sound. And then you would give a 3-period lesson. And I have a video on a 3-period lesson that you can watch. The next basket or box is ESJH. Elephant. Hat. Hot dog. Hippopotamus. Shoe. Egg. Spoon or scoop. Saw. Elf. Heart. And this is a nice wood heart. Jeep. Skateboard. Horse. Hand. So you put fun little objects in there for each of those sounds. The next basket is DNOG. Doll. octopus. Donut. Dress. Garlic. Grapes. Ostrich. Girl. Drum. Dice. Glasses. Dog. The next box is KRV. Rhinoceros. Rat. Key. Rocket. Roller. Rolling pin. Vice grip. Vice grip. Rose. Rock. Ring. And so on. The next box is WXI. Ice cream. This is a long I. So when you have an I, you teach the difference between the long I and the short I. Worm. Wings. Watermelon. Wagon. Wheelbarrow. Warthog. Woman. Wiener. That's a hot dog wiener. Wallet. You can even put fake money in it to make it fun. Whale. Indian. Indian. X. Wagon. Waffle. The last one, I only have one sad object, and it's a zebra. Q, U, Z, and Y. You could put some yarn in there, but I don't have these objects readily available, so this one I need to grow. You would again teach with 2 to 3 objects at a time, and then the child can go to the basket and work with material and try to pronounce the sounds, but you would pick, for example, from this box, pick MA, and then pick out the objects that start with an M and an A, like one object each, until you do a 3-period lesson and they can do it successfully. Then you can add another 1 or 2 objects in the mix. And then you progress from left to right, each group of letters. But don't skip around, because there's a plan in place for them to be able to read after the very first one. Like I said, there's a list of words they can read in each box. And then the second one, they can read more. And then by the third one, there is a very long list, a growing list of words that they can read. And then by this one, it's very long. So the first 4 baskets or boxes, they're able to read quite a bit. After the very first one, you can start teaching them to write the letters in sand first, chalk second, whiteboard third, and then you can teach them to write with a pencil. With outlines first, and then with lines is last. Well, with the lines, with the dash in the middle, and then finally with just one solid line. I hope that was helpful to plan ahead, look for objects, make your baskets, so that by the time your child is able to start to learn their letters, learning to read and write, you'll have the material that you need. I hope that was helpful.